Within the first box, you'll have 8 top rails, 1 cover pad, 1 jumping mat, 72 springs, 8 leg extensions, 4 leg bases, 16 screws, 1 spring fixing tool, 16 plastic spacers, 16 bolts, and 16 nuts. Start assembling the trampoline by placing the tongue of the top rail into the mouth of the adjacent top rail until a circle is complete on the ground. Next, insert the leg extensions into the small vertical placements on the top rail, making sure to align the bolt holes. Insert a bolt into the plastic spacer and then insert into the untap hole, making sure the plastic spacer is on the outside of the frame and tighten with a wrench provided. Next, place the leg base into the leg extension poles and secure with the screw on each leg extension. Once secured, flip the entire frame over so the frame is standing correctly upright. Once the frame is upright, place the screw into the top rail, securing the entire frame itself. Place the jumping mat on the ground inside the upright frame and connect the mat to the frame with 1 spring. Move to the opposite side of the frame and attach another spring. Repeat this step for 4 equal quadrants of the jumping mat. This will even the tension for the mat. Using the spring fixing tool, attach the jumping mat to the frame using the rest of the springs. With the frame and the mat complete, place the cover pad on the top of the trampoline and secure by connecting the hooks over the frame and attaching to the jumping mat connection. Open the second package containing 8 upper poles, 8 lower poles, and 1 safety net. Attach the lower poles to the frame using a long bolt and plastic spacer through the frame of the leg extension. Make sure this plastic spacer is in between the leg extension and the lower pole. Secure the spacer and nut using the wrench. Repeat this step for every lower pole. Insert all the upper poles into the tongue of all the lower poles. Insert the upper pole into the sleeve of the safety nut and slide the safety net over both the upper and lower poles to the mat of the trampoline. Secure the safety net by attaching the hooks to the jumping mat. Place the ladder, take off your shoes, and let the fun begin.